Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BookOfBase token. Name of the token is BookOfBase, and that is also the ticker symbol. It was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 5th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at BookOfBase, but Base has 2 E's in it. BookOfBase on Telegram, they have 1,782 members on there. 12 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion with other community members, talk to them about the project, to learn more, see what they think. And it was just announced that this token will be listed May 5th, 13 hours UTC time, on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BookOfBase, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token also has a Twitter that I'm going to put on the screen right here as usual, at BookOfBase with 2 E's again. I'm assuming BookOfBase was already taken on Twitter and Telegram, and that is why there's 2 E's on these socials here. 38 tweets so far. It says, unite in the Base community with the BookOfBase. Official Telegram community has a link to their Telegram, and then it has a link to their webpage right there, bookofbase.io. Now they have 6,506 followers so far. And then in their pinned tweet, or their most recent tweet, I should say, is that they reposted the MEXC Global listing announcement. And there is a Kickstarter event that you can get involved with prior to the MEXC listing, where you could vote with MX tokens and win airdrops. There's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. So check out that Kickstarter event on their Twitter right here. Now, although this token is called the BookOfBase token, you would think, oh, it's on the Base chain, but guess what? It's not. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, tokens seem to do this a lot. It'll be called something to do with Solana, and then it'll be on Ethereum or something, like very strange, but okay. 18 decimal places on this token. It's not even available on PancakeSwap yet. Tomorrow is going to be their official listing date. It says 2 holders, so that's obviously team members. And they have a total supply here of, that is a million, billion, trillion, 400 quadrillion tokens. So this is a BEP20 token. You can find it on BSC scan. And lastly here, their webpage has a Telegram, Twitter link, community, tokenomics, advantages, about section, all sorts of info on their webpage. That's where you're going to find the majority of the info. It says, open the pages of the future with a BookOfBase. Welcome to the world of the new generation cryptocurrency. BookOfBase is your guide to the world of financial opportunities in the Coinbase platform. Open the pages of this amazing book and dive into the world of innovation and investment, unique opportunities, innovative solutions, and reliable support. All this awaits you with the Book of Base on Coinbase. So, Book of Base is a modern cryptocurrency token developed on the Coinbase platform to provide users with unique opportunities in the field of digital assets and investments. This token has become an emblem of financial transformation, bringing people together in the search of financial independence and the new market opportunities. Book of Base is not just a digital currency, it's a whole world of innovation and financial development, offering participants a wide range of investment tools and strategies. With its unique features and high level of security, this crypto token is attracting the attention of investors and users seeking economic growth and monetary stability. With the Book of Base, financial management becomes accessible and transparent, opening doors to global markets and new opportunities for asset monetization. This token plays a key role in digital transformation, driving innovation in financial technology development, creating a unique space to participate in the digital economy of the future. So it's got financial stability. The Book of Base crypto token built on the Coinbase platform provides users with the high level of financial stability through innovative approaches to asset management and investment protection. Transparency and security. Book of Base offers its participants the benefits and transparency of security, providing protection against fraud and ensuring fair environment for all participants in the network. Broad investment opportunities. With the Book of Base, users have access to a variety of investment tools and strategies that allow them to diversify their portfolio and maximize potential returns with minimal risk. And community and support. Book of Base creates a strong community of cryptocurrency investors and enthusiasts where each member can share experiences, receive support, and grow together in the world of digital assets. So the Book of Base crypto token is dynamic and a sustainable space for investments and capital growth. Participants in this ecosystem have the opportunity to expand their financial horizons by participating in unique financial mechanisms and accessing a wide range of investment opportunities. With the Book of Base, every participant becomes part of the digital revolution where innovation and technology breakthroughs are shaping the future of the financial world. This crypto token opens new horizons for financial freedom for users, allowing them to be an active part in swapping the digital economy and achieving sustainable financial growth. Now, how the token is split up, the token metrics allocation, we got 20% going to LP, 5% central exchange listings, 70% pre-sale, and 5% marketing. And that is basically about it. So check out their socials, check out their webpage, check out the MEXC global link in the description box if you don't have an account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.